how do sterile medicines stay so safe? We're going to demystify the process of invisible guardianship.
Well, it all comes down to two things: building a super pure space and then proving it actually works. You know, the biggest threats here are totally invisible. We're talking about tiny microbes and particles.
And this is all governed by a super strict set of rules called Good Manufacturing Practice, or GMP.
So, your first line of defense, it's the clean room. Think of it like a sterile fortress.
But just building the fortress isn't enough. You have to actually test the walls.
So, how do you prove it works? Well, that's where a process called validation comes in.
Validation is basically a three-stage gauntlet: IQ, OQ, and PQ. Let's break those down.
First up is IQ. This just makes sure everything's installed right: the HVAC, walls, doors, the whole shebang.
Then comes OQ, where you're really stress testing the system. Think air pressure, filter leaks, door seals.
And finally, PQ proves it all works in real-life conditions, checking for microbes, temp, humidity.
Okay, but how on earth do you test something you can't even see, like airflow? Simple, you make it visible. These are called smoke studies, and they're pretty cool to see. See that? The smoke shows if the air is sweeping contaminants away, just like it's supposed to.
And they run these tests in two modes: static, when it's empty, and dynamic, during real operations.
And wow, look at all the tests. Each one is designed to find any possible weakness. Now, all these little tests don't just happen randomly. They're all part of a bigger picture.
That picture is the Contamination Control Strategy, or CCS. It's the master plan for every single defense.
And it's not just a good idea, it's the law. Regulators are clear. This planning is mandatory.
All that planning gets captured in what's called the Validation Master Plan. It's the total blueprint.
So, the big takeaway? Sterility isn't a one-and-done thing. It's a constant, multi-layered system.
So it really makes you wonder, right? What other industries could use this kind of meticulous